At AKT2, collaboration defines how we design and make. With this project, we started from two ends, the primary structure and the facade, two narratives meeting in one surface.
We wanted to explore how architecture could move beyond enclosure and become a living, flexible skin. The story began with the wall, a collaboration with Heatherwick Studio, exploring how simple surface could hold tension, literally and conceptually. The first challenge was how to make it stand without heaviness. The initial concept was flat, but the ambition was always tensile, inspired by Christos wrapped landscapes in California, where form and gravity play against one another. We explored everything: prefabricated scaffolds, cable networks, flexible membranes. Each option tested the idea of a wall that wasn't solid, but rather suspended. The twist came later, literally. Through conversations with Heatherwick's team, we started experimenting with physical models, rethinking the geometry.
That was the moment when the flat wall twisted into something alive.
On the facade side, we looked at how materials could express that tension, from woven steel to lightweight fabrics, and how a system could connect, anchor, and breathe.
As the idea evolved, so did the brief. What started as a temporary installation needed to become permanent, a movable structure. That shift changed everything. From cable to frame, from tension to rigidity, yet the spirit remained.
The envelope tells stories. It creates memory, tension and transformation. Every line, every joint, every twist speak of collaboration and care. Radically more human means designing with empathy, seeing how people will feel the structure, not just see it. It's about connection between material, between discipline, between us and the city.